Hey everyone, it's Lolo from Lolo Off the Clock. With our Alaska cruise getting closer, I've spent way too much time researching what to pack, and more importantly, what not to pack. So today I'm sharing 10 Alaska cruise mistakes that we almost made, and hopefully you can avoid them also. Mistake number 1, packing too many clothes. It's easy to think you need a different outfit every day, but most people end up wearing the same comfortable layers over and over. Plan to re-wear jeans, sweatshirts, and even some pants. Mistake number 2, forgetting layers. Alaska's weather can change fast. You may start the day in just a t-shirt, throw on a sweatshirt by lunch, and then need a rain jacket by the afternoon. Layers will be your best friend. Mistake number 3, bringing the wrong shoes. I know it's summer, those cute sandals are screaming out your name, but they aren't going to do much on a rainy dock or hiking a trail, so be sure you bring really comfortable, maybe shoes you've already been wearing. You don't want to do brand new shoes either, but walking shoes, hiking shoes, something with good traction are a must. Mistake number 4, not packing rain gear. I know this is probably said over and over again, but we can't emphasize it enough. Even if the forecast looks perfect, sun is out, Alaska can surprise you. A light waterproof jacket takes up very little room and can save your day. Mistake number 5, overpacking formal wear. Most Alaska cruises are pretty casual. You don't need to bring 3 fancy outfits unless you really feel like you're going to wear them. I know you have your formal nights, so those are an exception, but we're keeping it simple. Mistake number 6, forgetting binoculars. This was almost us. Whales, eagles, glaciers, even mountain goats. You'll see so much more if you bring a pair of binoculars. Make sure you have those handy. All right, number 7, leaving motion sickness items at home. Even if you've never gotten seasick before, those Alaska waters can be pretty unpredictable. We always pack motion sickness medication just in case. Mistake number 8, not packing a day bag. You'll want something for those port days and for glacier viewing days. Be sure you pack a bag that can hold your water bottle, rain jacket, camera, maybe an extra chargers, binoculars, of course, and snacks to help fuel you on your way throughout the day. Mistake number 9, forgetting lip balm and moisturizer. So that cool air mixed with the wind and the glacier viewing can really dry you out. These are small items you'll be happy you packed. And lastly, but not least, mistake number 10, packing for summer instead of for Alaska. Yes, it's July. No, that doesn't mean beach weather. Alaska's summers are very, very different than Arizona summers, most of the summers in the US. Most cruises, we think beachy, warm, pool. This, you need to think more layers and comfort, not tank tops and flip-flops. All right, so those were the 10 packing mistakes we almost made while planning our Alaska cruise. If you're planning an Alaska cruise, let me know what items you absolutely never travel without. And make sure you subscribe. We'll be sharing more. Our packing videos are coming up. We are about 3 weeks away from our cruise, so you'll see more coming in.